heard of. Whichever one you want to do. That's fine.
Oh, now it's getting difficult. Okay.
They got engaged yesterday.
Yep, we got engaged yesterday.
Okay, let's do February 12th.
So what you want to wear?
Our names, and my name is Tiara. And his name is Amani, so it's
That's for sure.
You can put a little stain on it.
Oh yeah.
Kind of like
Like a
this.
salad, yeah.
Turn it around. Let's see what it looks like.
And it's the good love.
I got my bottle right here.
Get good stuff.
Gotcha. Look at it in the table.
Oh wow!
I already know her favorite.
me, how many years are you celebrating? I see you back there. How many years are you celebrating? 5 years?
Yay!
Is that right?
Yes.
Yes. Come on, everybody. 5 years. That's wonderful. Remain standing. All the anniversary couples don't sit. Feast your eyes on our lovely Vahine and watch how they greet you from the islands of Tahiti. We offer salutations from the handsome men of the village, our Tane Ariki. We welcome one and all his family to enjoy a beautiful night in Tahiti. Or dare drum dances of Tahiti describes the beauty of the island's Tahitian style.
Oh man, we forgot to vlog today too.
So we actually accomplished a lot today.
A lot. Well, thank you guys for tuning in to this episode of From Our View.
What's up?
Aloha, aloha, aloha.
Aloha.
You know, I proposed to my best friend yesterday, and now we are engaged. Super happy, super excited. Feel like the luckiest man in the world.
I feel like the luckiest woman.
I didn't make her say it. She said it on her own. But we had such an amazing day today so far. If you guys have seen, we have went to where did we go first?
Went to go eat first.
We did eat first. We had breakfast at the Aloha kitchen, not that far from where we're staying. Then we went to the Aloha Stadium, which is by Pearl Harbor. Yeah, that's the swap meet.
The swap meet market.
Yep.
It's kind of like when everyone comes together and just sells a whole bunch of vendors come together and they sell a whole bunch of items. So it only happens certain days, and thankfully we're here long enough where we got to experience one of the days. We picked up a lot of little trinkets for our friends and families and ourselves.
Yes, definitely got some amazing gifts and things we're definitely going to utilize and keep and cherish for this trip, you know. So we definitely did a lot of shopping. What's next? And then we were right next to Pearl Harbor, so he's like,
why not?
Why not? Let's check out Pearl Harbor. So we got to see the world. We got to see the Pearl Harbor Memorial and the museum, and got to go on a boat ride to the USS Arizona.
Yeah.
It was a piece of American history that was dope to watch, and to learn more about and everything like that. So there's so many things in Hawaii to honestly explore and see and do. And we're trying to do our best to try to knock it all out.
We also had shave ice.
Yes.
For the first time.
Yeah, shave ice. That's shave without the ED at the end. That's shave ice.
We gonna put the name of the place in the corner, maybe not. I don't know. I don't like the attitude.
You know, yeah, we gotta have good customer service where we go. But the shave ice itself was very, very good. You know, we're in Obama country. You know what I mean? This is where he pretty much grew up. So they named the flavor ice after President Obama. And that's the flavor that you had, right? Mm-hmm. Was it good?
It was bomb.
I had a really unique bowl. It was a azuki bowl, which was kind of like condensed milk ice with some beans and some other weird stuff. And it was actually good.
Beans, like beans, y'all, like beans, not like the red candy beans, more like the chipotle beans. But it was so good.
It was good though. I enjoyed it. And now we're about to go to a luau. Hey. We're about to see some belly dancers, some fire turning, and some food. You hear me? So tune in for that. We're about to go right now. We don't want to be too late. But FOV, we out.
Bye, y'all.
Peace.